Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the star fruit jam recipe in Heartopia. So in this new event, there is a new seeds for new fruits that you can plant in your garden. The star fruit, and you can get the seeds from the NPC plant. And then after that, just plant these star fruits in your garden. And then after that, you can just make it into a jam. And to make this star fruit jam, you can just unlock the recipe first. And to unlock this recipe is very easy. First, just go to your stove, and then after that, just choose mixed jam recipe, this one. And then next, just replace this fruit with this star fruit like this. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking. And just like that, you will get this new jam, the star fruit jam, and the recipe will be added to your collections automatically. This one you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.